If you are looking for the best legal Kodi add-ons to supercharge your media center in 2026, you are in the right place. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am breaking down the top 7 legal add-ons that every cord cutter needs to install right now. These options are completely free and easy to set up on any device. First up is Pluto TV. This is an absolute powerhouse for free live TV. You get over 250 channels and a massive library of on-demand movies. It feels just like using traditional cable but without the monthly bill. You do not even need to create an account to start watching. Next on the list is Samsung TV Plus. While many people think this is only for Samsung devices, it actually works perfectly inside Kodi. It offers a great mix of news, sports, and lifestyle channels. Pairing this with Pluto TV gives you a huge variety of free content. If you already manage a media collection, the Plex Kodi add-on is a must-have. It does more than just organize your files. It gives you access to a huge selection of free movies and live TV channels. It is polished, reliable, and keeps everything in one place. For those who love documentaries and educational shows, you need the PBS Live add-on. It brings high-quality programming and local live streams directly to your screen. It is a fantastic option for families who want safe and informative content. Xumo Play is another reliable choice for live TV lovers. It is a lightweight add-on that delivers free channels, news, and sports. If you are looking for a solid cable alternative that does not slow down your system, this is the one for you. You should also check out the Roku Channel add-on. You do not need a Roku device to use this. It offers ad-supported movies and shows without any paid subscriptions. It is a great way to access premium-feeling content for $0. Finally, we have Distro TV. This add-on features over 150 free live channels and niche international content. It works worldwide and requires no license or sign-up. It is perfect for anyone wanting a global variety of entertainment. Before you start streaming, remember that your internet provider can see everything you do. They might throttle your speeds or block certain content based on your location. This is why I always recommend using a secure VPN. It keeps your connection private and ensures your streaming stays smooth and fast. These 7 add-ons are the best way to keep your Kodi setup safe and legal. They offer endless entertainment without any hidden fees. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more streaming tips and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.